on? Michael.
All right, Michael. Where are we right now?
We're at the alarm.com booth. I'm a product manager here on the video team at Alarm.
Okay.
And we're showcasing some of our video software features as well as the kind of hardware that is both in early access and also generally available today.
Awesome. I would love to see some stuff. What do you want to start off with first?
So I'll start off with AI deterrence.
Okay.
AI deterrence is a feature that kind of is all about taking video deterrence from reactive to proactive.
Okay.
Traditionally, video systems were kind of, you get a clip after something happened, someone had already broken into your house.
Yep.
Maybe you get some type of static response or beeping tone
Yes.
to try to deter intruders,
Yes.
but there's no real human-like response.
Gotcha.
With AI deterrence, we're actually using AI to kind of analyze the scene in real time,
Okay.
and creating voice messages that play out of the camera and like very accurately describe kind of what you're wearing and what you're doing in the scene, and plays it as a kind of voice message that will essentially threaten to call the police and try
Gotcha.
to scare you off the property before you can commit any more wrongdoing.
Now, I know you said AI deterrent. So are you saying when this is set up, I could be sleeping and this is running without my interaction at all?
Absolutely. You can schedule this feature to be running at all times, or when you're not away, from home, when you're sleeping, whatever. You
Yep.
can also go into the app or the mobile website.
Yep.
And you can schedule time-bound rules, and you can also create custom responses as well if you know there's a delivery man coming, or you just want to schedule some other type of custom response.
Wow.
To
That's
be played.
awesome, man. That is really awesome. And I'm assuming this is like current. This is like right now. This
Absolutely.
is not future.
This is available right now.
That's cool. So you have a whole wall here of other stuff. What is that about now?
Yeah, so the AI deterrence feature is also available on a ton of our outdoor video camera products today.
Okay.
We also have kind of our residential doorbell products that are multiple release stages right now.
Okay.
We have the wired battery doorbell, as well, wired and battery doorbell models,
Okay.
as well as wireless doorbell chimes. We have both chimes that function as an access point. If
Okay.
you need Wi-Fi extension to get access on that doorbell to the perimeter of the home,
Yes.
we also just have a standalone wireless chime if you just need to be able to hear audible notifications.
Wow.
And let's say you are in the bathroom or in your bedroom that's detached from where your front door area is, and you have a larger property, and
Gotcha.
you'll be able to get that audible awareness where you need it.
Now, a couple of cool things I see here. Now, I've been working with Alarm.com for many years, but I see two styles of cameras now, two flavors. Yeah, black and white cameras. Obviously now, because of how things get installed, you now have that option where you can actually use a black or white camera. That is awesome. So is that like a feature that's going to be going around for more camera lines, or are you just starting off here first?
Absolutely. So right now, for our Wi-Fi and PoE bullet series
Yes.
on the 730,
Yeah.
we have the white color variant available today,
Yes.
and the black or the dark gray variant coming very soon here.
Wow.
And then for a lot of our doorbell products already, we have a number of other color variants such as bronze, silver, whatever kind of matches the color aesthetic that you're looking for. Or if
Got
you
you.
have certain HOA requirements,
Yes,
the doorbell
yes,
has to be
yes, yes.
a certain form factor or color.
Now, something else I keep seeing happening on and on. I see a light from a bullet style camera. How new is that?
So this is one of our newer camera models.
Sure.
And then the kind of predecessor to that was the floodlight camera.
Yes.
And the kind of intention there was just to be able to have an additional layer of deterrence or something that you could automate as a part of the system response.
Okay.
So you can either schedule the floodlight in this case or the spotlight to go off based on time-bound rules as well.
Okay.
You just want to automate it at nighttime.
Okay.
Or you can also have it go off when there's a person detection as well. So just another kind of way you can customize your camera's response
Got
to
it.
any different event.
I know I'm asking you a bunch of questions, but I'm really excited. I see a battery camera with a solar panel. Come on now. What do we got here, man?
Absolutely. Kind of big pain point for a lot of people is, when there's not wiring or there's not an easy way to install the camera at the home.
Yeah.
With the battery camera plus solar panel, all you have to do is essentially just stick it up there.
Yep.
And as long as you're getting 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight,
Yes.
you'll get continuous charging and you'll never have to take that battery pack out.
Wow.
So that's kind of the benefit
Wow.
of, put it up there and just, set it and forget it.
Wow. Well, I'm going to say this, man. Thank you so much for all this information, man.
Absolutely.
I really appreciate you. Thanks.
Thanks.